Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about a primary annotation in Spring Framework. Explain primary annotation in Spring Framework. When we are using component scan, then all the beans are loaded by Spring container with no specific order. If we want to load any bean on first priority, then we need to annotate that bean with primary annotation. The bean annotated with primary will be loaded first and then other beans will be loaded. If you're not using component scan, then primary annotation will not work. See, to basically say, when you mark a bean as primary, more preference will be given to that bean. I've written a very simple example to demonstrate this primary annotation. I have an interface called iMessage, and there are two implementations, hello world message and Spring message. So there are two implementations for this interface. But since I have marked hello world message as primary, more preference will be given to hello world message. But Spring message, since we have marked as lazy on demand, this bean will be injected. So I want to repeat, I have iMessage, one interface iMessage, and there are two implementations, and out of these two implementations I have marked one implementation as primary, so more preference will be given to hello world. So in the display bean, I am trying to auto wire. I am not using any qualifier. Since hello world message has been marked as primary, hello world message will be injected in this message object, and when I call this message dot get message, I'll be calling this method. Okay, so let me run this program in a debug mode so that you can understand. So now the annotation config application context will be created, and our beans will be initialized now, and we will be getting a yes. Here if you see this message iMessage, that message object hello world message will be injected here. Why? Though there are two interfaces, two implementations, hello world message and Spring message, but why hello world message has been injected? Because we have given primary. That's why hello world message implementation has been injected here, and now we are going to call this method. We'll be calling the hello world message. So to simply say, primary annotation means if I mark a bean as primary, more preference will be given to that particular bean which has annotated with primary annotation. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.